Having trouble with Cash App saying your bank declined the payment? Don't worry. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix this issue step by step so you can get your money moving again. First, let's talk about why this happens. Bank decline errors usually pop up in two common scenarios: when you're trying to add money to Cash App or when you're withdrawing funds to your bank account. And the good news? Most of the time, it's something simple you can fix in minutes. The first thing you should check is your linked bank account. Open your Cash App, tap the profile icon in the top right corner, then tap Linked Banks. Make sure the correct debit card is linked. If it's missing or outdated, relink it, or choose the No Card option to link your bank account manually. This solves the issue for a lot of people instantly. Next, double-check your available balance. If you're adding money, make sure your bank account has enough funds. If you're cashing out, make sure your Cash App balance covers the amount you're trying to transfer. Insufficient funds are one of the most common reasons transactions fail. If you've checked both your linked bank and your balance and the payment is still being declined, the best solution is to contact Cash App support directly. Again, tap the profile icon, scroll down to support, then choose Chat. Describe the issue clearly. Say that you can't make or receive payments through your linked bank. Their support team can look at your account and resolve the problem on their end. And that's it. Verify your bank, check your balance, and if all else fails, contact support. By following these steps, you can solve most bank decline issues without wasting time or guessing what's wrong. If this video helped you fix your Cash App payments, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick money app guides, and check the description for more helpful tips and resources.